abakyala tebakwatagana bateekawo embeera osigaza culture eyo naye generation tegenda kukkiriza culture eyo kusigalawo. That's why you see Juliana talabika, but she's here to support me. That's why you see Shima Kanunji, she's here to support me. That's why we have Winnie Nwati. Katilinda ko Spice Dana inaba yimbi abakyala basinga mu ggwanga wano ku Sheno. And it's just an EP release party. Like I was saying, we have Winnie Nwati, we have Karo Kasita, Abu Bachala, we have Pink Pounds, we have Ellen Lukoma. Oh my God, Winnie herself. Please. Banange nzikiriza ntwala omukisa guno. Ajje wano katono nnyo nina obugambo bwange butini bwenjagala omugamba, and I would like to say it in front of you guys. Yes? But please, Ali next to the Queen herself. Please, let me have her. Just sigena twala budde bwe bungi nnyo. Just kubanga namukubira akasimu nga mutegeeza. Onagamba bannange, let me go and support Spice. Oh my God, it means a lot. You guys know what I'm saying, right? Mama Wengale Zamani as she's coming on stage. This is a dream come true. Mama Wengale Tezimala as she's coming. You look so amazing. I love you so much. Let me tell you guys, she's one of my mentors, yeah? Yeah, the negative media has been trying to spoil that, but it's not gonna change. It's not gonna change. I love you so much, and thank you for changing our industry. Thank you for what you do for the women. I mean, for all of us. I love you so much, so much, and thank you for honoring my invitation. Come on, guys! You guys, you want to say something? Oh, I don't know. This makes me so nervous. Hi, Spice. This is beautiful. Man, for me, moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like these. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the big building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around you. But man, it's Spice's night. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle. Yeah. I came here to tell you that I know the males in the industry started this by dividing the females so that they can keep winning. But now they can't do that again. We are going to unite together. We are going to support each other. I'm here today for you. Everybody's here today for you. I can't wait for the day I can do anything you would want me to do. I'm here, and I hope you know that I'm here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Guys, it's Spice's night. Let me hear say, female future is now. The female is now. Thank you so much. I love you so much, Spicy. Thank you for this moment. Good night, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, Mongele Shibengale Zamani. This means a lot to my career. It means so much. I love you, Shiba, and I don't take this moment for granted forever in my life. Thank you so much. I want to thank once again every artist that made it tonight to this. It's not a concert like I've said, but thank you for making it so big. So we continue.
Okoye odnonyeze emirimu giganye emirimu gikubuze. Yes, njagala okujukiza oba Barista Coffee School and Cafe. Yes, bayigiriza n'okusomesa okola ebika bya kawa ebyenjawulo omuli cappuccino, mocha, ice coffee, smoothies, milkshakes, cocktail n'ebika ebirala bingi. Bagaba certificate n'okufunira emirimu wabweru w'eggwanga mu nsi ez'enjawulo omuli Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi n'ensi ez'etoolodde Europe endala. So basange e Nalukolongo opposite ne Hash petrol station oba obakubira ziri ku namba z'essimu 07 5 77 oba ku WhatsApp 07 ye namba ya WhatsApp okumanya ebisingawo.
SMKs tukwasaganya by'amasimu byokka, tuddaabiriza amasimu agakyankalanye, tugaflashinga ne tugassako software ena gwe weetaaze. Weetaaga screen mpya, tukolera screen lamination, ntutunda modo zonna eza screen, Tekino, Samsung, Infinix, iPhone n'endala nnyingi. Tulina ne accessories z'amasimu nga back covers, sim slots, glass za camera, charging system, zichaja, batteries n'ebirala. Tukola delivery ntubikutuusako wooli gwali okumpi n'ewala. Tusangibwa ku Anifa Towers opposite Netemusero, Room B222 ku ground floor, Loom Street. Tukubire ku 0700 nkaga 91 oba 0788.
Hey, Basumagina no Dayangu Basua. Wakayani na Nemala Basumulino. Nakamuka. Listen, Amakamoni Mesa. Yeshimoya. Changa Musila. What to God? I said you're ready now. So when the sun wants you, boy, I said I'm ready. You're ready, boy, you know I'm ready. You're ready, now be ready when you're ready. Correct, ready. You're ready, now be ready when you're ready. So, waiting on me brain. Waiting on me brain. I said, waiting on me brain. See nobody here. I said, Shima Wawan! Juliana, I love you guys! Say, you ready? Know you're ready when you're ready, eh? Chakala Kutwale. Sing this verse with me if you know the song. Listen, you ready? Know you're ready when you're ready. To cut it like butter and bread in it. What you gonna go when they go to? My blessed people, let me hear you say, yeah. My daughter, yeah. Everybody say, yeah. Everybody say, yeah. You ready? You know I'm ready. I wanna dance, everybody. I wanna.
Tukoye ononyeze emirimu giganye emirimu gikubuze yes njagala okukujukiza oba Barista Coffee School and Cafe yes bayigiriza n'okusomesa okola ebika bya kawa ebyenjawulo omuli cappuccino mocha ice coffee smoothies milkshakes cocktail n'ebika ebirala bingi bagaba certificate n'okufunira emirimu wabweru w'eggwanga mu nsi ez'enjawulo omuli Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi n'ensi ez'etoolodde Europe endala so basange e Nalukolongo opposite ne Hash petrol station oba obakubiri ku namba z'essimu 0705 7710 oba ku WhatsApp 0777 855 ye namba ya WhatsApp okumanya ebisingawo.
SMKs tukwasaganya by'amasimu byokka tuddaabiriza amasimu agakyankalanye tugaflashinga ne tugassako software yalina gwe weetaaze weetaaga screen mpya tukolera screen lamination ntutunda modo zonna eza screen Tekino, Samsung, Infinix, iPhone n'endala nnyingi tulina ne accessories z'amasimu nga back covers, sim slots, glass za kamera, charging system, zichaja, battery n'ebirala tukola delivery ntubikutuusako wooli gwali okumpi n'ewala tusangibwa ku Anifa Towers opposite ne Temuseo Room B222 ku ground floor Loom Street tukubire ku 0700 nkaaga 91 30 oba 0788